Welcome. In this module, we will be talking about cross-site scripting. In short, it is XSS. Sometimes it is also abbreviated as CSS. Cross-site scripting was found between 1996 to 1998. Since then, after more than 17 years, it is in WASP top 10 vulnerability lists. So you can assume that what is the impact, how many websites will be suffering from the cross-site scripting. Almost more than 50% of websites suffers from cross-site scripting. So in this lesson, I will demonstrate the cross-site scripting power and what we can do. We generally use cross-site scripting by injecting HTML or running the code, and the most of them are JavaScript. You can choose your own code like BVS and any scripting languages, but JavaScript is more powerful and it is used widely for cross-site scripting. I will attack blog-like features on the website that will store my details, and other employee will be able to see my details. I will log in with my details. As my profile is visible everywhere, everyone can see my profile. I will edit my profile and inject some code of JavaScript to attack all the employee in my organization. I will change my address details and use some code. JavaScript stores the cookie in document.cookie object, so I will use that object, that is document.cookie, and closing of the script tag. I will save this, update my profile. Now I will log out. Now this is normal application. Okay, now let's see what will happen if my manager wants to see the details of my account, that is manager in this case. So as the manager will be able to watch anyone's profile, any person's profile, let's see what happens when a manager wants to see the profile of Eric Walker. Nothing happens. Now coming to the next, let's see the Bruce Maker. Great. When the manager wants to view the profile of another employee that is affected by cross-site scripting attack from my profile, because he have faced my profile, now this cookie is alerting over the screen. But if I will use the source tag in the HTML injection, then it can also be diverted to another website that may be hosted by me. So in this case, I will get the session ID, that is cookie. In this case, it is PHP session ID as well, and I will be able to log in without ID and password of the victim user. So this was the basically demonstration of stored cross-site scripting attack. There are a lot more types of attacks we can use, like reflected and DOM-based attacks. As web application attacks are really a large lessons and modules, it is not possible to cover up all those things. So what happens when we go for the penetration testing? We need to test every input parameters that a web applications ask from the user, because every input parameter could be a possible attack types if it is not sanitized by web applications. Nowadays you will find a lot more web applications use filters to filter out all the input parameters, but you will also find that all those filters are really not matters when you have crafted your inputs and also encoded your input types. As you can see, this is the encoded one, and also in the plain text that is created by me. You can download it from GitHub. In a general term, many people ask, and there is also a myth, that what we can do with the cross-site scripting attacks. There are a lot more we can do. First one is we can steal the cookie and the session ID of the user. We can also deface the website And if it is the successful attack, then we can compromise the full network and full web applications as well. It depends upon the expertise and the vulnerability found over the website. So it depends upon you that you can practice more and more so that you will be fluent at every attack. Thank you.